Hey ACR fam, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well with everyone. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Today's video, I will be doing a press-on nail collaboration with JOYFAY Fashion. If you don't know what JOYFAY Fashion is, let me tell you some background information on who they are. JOYFAY Fashion is a cruelty-free and vegan nail brand, which is the biggest press-on nail product factory. Not only that, they have other advantages, and here are the top reasons why this business stands out the most. Number one, they have various kinds of styles. For example, the different colors have their own collections and could be matched with nail art. Number two, the JOYFAY Fashion's products are made with high quality acrylic materials, which makes them less likely to break and fade. Number three, the nail wear is very natural because the raw material used is of high quality and their craftsmanship is very brilliant. It looks like a manicure done in a salon. Number four, this product is very easy to wear and is comfortable. And lastly, number five, the health and environmentally friendly are the outstanding and high quality features of their product. Another plus is they have promotion links available every month where you can get money off for each press-on nails you purchase. The current discount they have available right now is 30% off and will last until the end of May, so don't miss out on that money off. I will make sure to put their Amazon store link page and promotion link in the description down below, along with all of their social media links. I am so excited and honored to try the nails out because y'all know I love me a nice fresh set of press-on nails. So without further ado, I will get this video started and give my full honest review on them. Enjoy. Okay, so JOFAY has sent me in 3 different packs of press-on nails, but I'm only going to try one on. But here are the names of the nails that I picked, and the links will all be in the description down below, just in case you're interested in purchasing them and Twitter with me. So as you can see right here, I am just analyzing the boxes and reading everything that it has on it. And the difference I noticed between other press-on nail boxes is it showed information on how much easier it is to apply them, just so it can be as nice as a manicure. And so far so good. I like how the box looks. Here is when I was getting indecisive on which press-on nails to wear, since they are all beautiful, but I just decided to pick the blue press-on nails. I had went back on my old press-on nail videos and I haven't done a blue color. I've done purple and I've done pink, of course, and these are also good for the upcoming summer and it's good for the spring season. And the name of these press-on nails is called Almond Gel Nail Tip Kit, 24 pieces, and it is the glossy flower. And as you can see, as soon as you open up the box, it has the sticker. And another thing that I noticed that is different from the other press-on nail boxes is that it has a how to apply the press-on nails. So these are perfect for beginner friendly people. And in the back, y'all can't really see it because it's not focusing, but it has step-by-step how to apply the nails. So if you are a beginner and you want to apply press-on nails at home, I will make sure to put all of that information in the description down below. It will be perfect for you. And then right here, as you can see, it has the glue and it has the stick where you do your cuticle, and then it also has the nail filer. I didn't even have to use my own type of glue. I had only put out my glue just in case they didn't come with glue, but I decided to use this glue to see how it would do on my nails and see if it stick or do better than the other type of glue I had. Another plus that I noticed about this press-on nail company is you see on that gray shirt that I have on the side, that is the thing that I usually wipe off the glue just in case it drip off. But right here they already have tissue for you to wipe it off already, so I actually didn't have to use none of my materials that I usually use for press on nails. I could just use everything that they gave me. So far so good. I'm loving JOFAY Fashion. Now I'm just going to speed this process up. Y'all already know how I do my press on nail videos. I just size up the nails and then I get to filing out the nails and making sure my cuticles is okay, and then just get to starting. So let's just watch me. Right here is when I was starting to struggle a little bit. I wanted to find different designs for each of the fingers, like the ring finger, also the pinky finger, but the thumb, the pinky finger, and the ring finger had to end up being the same type of press on nail design, since the other designs couldn't fit on those particular fingers, but that's okay. For some reason, y'all, I was struggling so hard trying to get this glue out. I don't know why it was not coming out. Maybe the glue just got stuck while it was being shipped and it was just sitting for too long. I don't know if that's going to happen for other people, but that's just a heads up of what I experienced. I had to get some scissors to cut off the top so I can use it. But y'all notice the difference how I had to cut the top part off, but it started to work after that. But I don't know if that's just how it is, or was I not using it the right way. I know it had a top down the bottom, but that's where you take out the glue. This top part right here is where you apply the glue on the nail. for my beginners, make sure when you press down the nails, you press it for 30 seconds. Don't press it down for shorter than 30 seconds or the nails won't stay on for long. It will start to pop off. Have y'all noticed I only picked up the tissue at least twice or 3 times to wipe off the glue? It don't even be dripping off your nail, which is a good thing. I hate when press on nail glue be dripping right off and it be making your fingers be stuck. Like, what's up with that? But I love this glue so far. This part that I'm doing right here isn't really mandatory. I'm just following it up because sometimes the tip of the nails do be kind of too long for me and I be ended up scratching myself. So that's why I just filed it down. Right now, I'm just putting on my famous olive oil and I'm getting my hands all pretty and dolled up to take these press-on nail pictures. And y'all, I love these press-on nails. I will give it for sure a 20 out of 10. They definitely feel like you went to go get a manicure. The nails are not flimsy at all and it doesn't feel like it will break. The only mistake that I had so far is that I don't think I applied enough glue on my nails. So while I was editing this video, 3 of the nails popped off, but I won't say that's their fault. I would say it's my fault since I probably didn't use enough glue. I was trying to make sure the glue wasn't going to run off. I will make sure I try on the other press-on nails on camera after a few months or within a month to give y'all an update on how the glue will stick better, since this time I was kind of rushing and didn't put on enough, but the nails still came out so beautiful, y'all. So as y'all about to see, I will show some Instagram and Snapchat clips of the nails and pictures, and that will be all for this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, hello, my name is Anaya Renee. I'll make sure I put my playlist in the description down below, and make sure you comment down below hashtag ACR fam so I know you joined the family. Now look at this, y'all. Y'all can't tell me this is not beautiful. This is pure perfection. And the designs just go so perfect. Beautiful. Loving it. Before this video ends, I want to give a huge shout out to JOFAY Fashion. Thank you so much for choosing me as a good fit to review you guys press-on nails. I love everything and I most definitely will be shopping with you all again. You guys did not lie about the press-on nails and how it will make you feel wearing them. Once again, since May is here, please do not miss out on that 30% off on the Amazon website of their company. I'll make sure I put all of that in the description down below so you can go straight to it, their website, all of their social media links, so you will know ahead of time. Thank you so much you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.